special surprise.
A surprise? What is it?
It's time to take a ride in the car.
Yay!
And Plex can drive.
Yes, I can drive.
Yeah, Plex!
Right, let's go. Get in and we'll go pick up Broby and Tootie.
Okay!
Foofa, Muno, don't forget to buckle your seatbelt.
Oh, yeah!
Right, we have to buckle up before we can start the car.
Okay, I'll buckle up too. I can't do it. It won't buckle.
You can do it, Foofa.
I can't
Be
do
patient.
it.
Keep trying and don't give up.
Don't stop! Don't give up!
Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up.
Don't stop!
Never give up.
Don't stop!
Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up.
Don't stop!
Never give up.
Don't stop now!
Don't stop now. Don't stop now. You'll get it right.
Don't stop!
You'll get it right.
Don't stop!
Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up.
Don't stop!
Never give up.
Don't stop!
Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up.
Don't stop!
Never give up.
Don't stop!
Don't stop now. Don't stop now. You'll get it right.
Don't stop now!
You'll get it right.
Don't stop now!
Okay, Foofa. You pull this end all the way over. Then line it up and push it in. When you hear a click, you're buckled in. Don't stop. Don't give up.